Did you know there are 3 fast and easy steps to add proper fractions with the same denominator? Today, we're going to explore these 3 fast and easy steps and explain why we don't add the denominators, and then practice together with 3 levels of questions: easy, medium, and hard. Hi, I'm Miss Sun from GrowMathEasy. After being head of math, I've spent over 19 years teaching math, and I love turning tricky concepts into quick, easy hacks. And my mission is simple: help you to understand math, not just do it. So today, let's master adding proper fractions with the same denominator. Here's the magic hack. Step 1. Keep the denominator. Step 2. Add the numerators. Step 3. Simplify if you can. That's it. Let's solve 2/6 plus 1/6. Here are our 3 fast and easy steps. Step 1. Keep the denominator, the bottom number. Both fractions have the same denominator, which is 6. That means we are working with 6. So we keep the bottom number as 6. Step 2. Add the numerator, that's the top number. Now we just add the top numbers together. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Putting that over our bottom number, we now have 3/6. Step 3. Simplify if you can. Let's make our fractions as simple as possible. To do that, we look for a number greater than 1 that divides evenly into both the numerator and the denominator. In this case, both 3 and 6 can be divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. So 3/6 simplifies beautifully into 1/2. Therefore, 2/6 plus 1/6 equal 1/2. Let's try another example. 4/6 plus 5/6. Step 1. Keep the bottom, so we keep 6. Step 2. Add the top numbers. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Step 3. Simplify. Now we need to simplify 9/6. Since the numerator is larger than the denominator, 9/6 is an improper fraction. That means we can change it into our mixed number first. We know that 6/6 equal 1/2, so 9/6 equal to 1/2 and 3/6. Now simplify the fractional part, 3/6. Both 3 and 6 can be divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Therefore, our final answer is 1 and 1/2. So when your answer is an improper fraction, remember to turn it into a mixed number and simplify if you can.
Why can't we add the denominators?
It's because the denominators tell us the size of the pieces. When we add like fractions, the pieces stay the same size. So we're just counting how many pieces we have altogether. For example, let's look at 3/6 plus 2/6. If we add both the numerators and the denominators, we will have the denominators as 12, and the numerator will be 3 plus 2, that's 5/12. But the answer is not correct. Why? Because changing the denominator from 6 to 12 means we are changing 6 into 12. 12 are smaller pieces than 6, so we would be changing the size of the pieces. That's why when adding fractions with the same denominator, we just keep the denominator and then add the numerators. Now it's your turn. Feel free to pause the video and try each question on your own. Question 1. Let's add 2/5 and 1/5. Step 1. Keep the bottom number, so our denominator stays 5. Step 2. Add the top numbers. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Step 3. Simplify. 3/5 is already as simple as it gets. So 2/5 plus 1/5 equals 3/5. Question 2. Let's add 5/7 and 6/7. We keep the bottom number 7, and then add the top numbers. 5 plus 6 is 11. Now simplify. 11/7 is an improper fraction. We can change it into a mixed number. To do this, we divide 11 by 7. 11 divided by 7 is 1 remainder 4. This means 11/7 equal 1 and 4/7. If you are not sure how to convert an improper fraction into a mixed number, don't worry. I have made a step-by-step video that explains it clearly. You can find the link in the description and watch it anytime. Now let's see the fractional part. Fractions 4/7 is already in its simplest form, so our final answer is 1 and 4/7. Level 2. If this lesson is helping you understand fractions, hit like and subscribe so you won't miss any conceptual math lessons. Let's add 3 fractions. Step 1. Keep the bottom number. All the fractions are 8, so the denominator stays 8. Step 3. Add the top numbers, so we just add the numerator. 3 plus 1 is 4, and 4 plus 1 is 5. Step 3. Simplify. Let's check if the fractions can be simplified. The numbers 5 and 8 do not have any common factors other than 1, so 5/8 is already in its simplest form. That's our final answer. Question 4. Let's add up another 3 fractions. We keep the same bottom number, that's 12, and then we add the top numbers. 8 plus 11 is 19, and 19 plus 7 is 26. Because 26 is bigger than 12, we have an improper fraction. Let's turn it into a mixed number by dividing 26 by 12. So the answer should be 2 remainder 2. That means 26/12 is the same as 2 and 2/12. Now simplify the fractional part to 12s. Both 2 and 12 can be divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 12 divided by 2 is 6. So our final answer is 2 and 1/6. Level 3. Ready for some real-life word problems? Question 5. Ethan ate 5 knives of a pizza, and Ernest ate 7 knives of the same pizza. How much pizza did they eat together? We need to add 5 knives and 7 knives. We keep the bottom knife. Add the top numbers. 5 plus 7 is 12. And we have the improper fractions 12 knives. So we turn it into a mixed number by dividing 12 by 9. Give us 1 remainder 3. That means 12 knives is the same as 1 and 3 knives. Now let's simplify. Both 3 and 9 can be divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. So our final answer is 1 and 1/3. Question 6. Sophia read 5/10 of her book on Monday, 2/10 on Tuesday, and 3/10 on Wednesday. How much of the book did she read in total? Let's add the 3 fractions. First, we keep the denominator 10. Next, add the top numbers, our numerators. 5 plus 2 is 7, and then 7 plus 3 is 10. So we get 10/10, and 10/10 equals 1 whole. Because 1 already is a whole number, there is nothing to simplify. So our answer is 1. Amazing work today! Let's quickly review what we have learned today. First, we learned the 3 fast and easy steps to add fractions with same denominators. Step 1. Keep the bottom number. The denominator stays the same. Step 2. Add the top numbers. We add the numerators together. In this case, it's 2 plus 2, that's 4. And step 3, simplify if you can. So we reduce our answer to its simplest form. In this case, both numbers can divide by 2. And remember, if your answer is an improper fraction, you may need to change it into a mixed number. And we also learned why we do not add the denominators, because the denominators tell us the size of the pieces. When we add fractions with the same denominator, the pieces should stay the same size, so we do not change the denominator. If we add the denominators, we will change the size of the pieces. That would give us the wrong answer. So always remember, denominators tell us the size of the pieces, so we keep the pieces the same size. And when we add the like fractions, just keep the bottom at the top and simplify if you can. Great job! Keep practicing, keep growing. I will see you in the next one.